I've got to show you here a VW 6-meter camper van of a type which is highly original. I've got here Iñaki somewhere who's going to explain how it works.
Hi, so this is a 2-people van, and if you want to come in, I will show you.
Alright, so first thing it stands out, there's only one seat here. That's
Yes.
a pretty good idea, and the one I'm building, I've also put only one seat in.
And it is a removable seat, so if we need more space for storage, we can always take it off and leave it at home, okay? So this is a small kitchen, but we can make it bigger doing like this if we need more space, okay?
So now we've got a large kitchen
Super.
with a molded sink.
Yes. The system of the shower plate is almost the same. We always work with the same materials, okay? But in this case, we have here the curtain. We will put it on these hooks here.
Yeah, so it's not finished yet, but it doesn't matter. We get a good idea, and that's to be understood. Many vehicles which are here, people want to show the latest thing, and so it's understandable it's not finished.
Here we have a really nice sink, and the most special feature of this vehicle is that we have a super large bed with 2 meters 13 centimeters in this side and 1 meter 91 centimeters in this other side. So to get on the bed, here we have the toilet. It's an electric toilet again, but we built this step to help us to get on the bed, okay? We also leave this space here on the mattress because if you need to use the bathroom during the night, you are also available to do it. So, once we have used the bed, doing like this, we recover all this space. If we need more privacy, we can always do like this, and we will have our own room here, okay? This one has a 110 liters fridge. It is a compressor fridge with independent freezer.
The same one as I've got in my van.
And we have a lot of space for storage, all things we need. This one in particular has also a big garage on the back where we can put 2 bikes, okay?
So we'll go and see that now.
One thing that is very interesting is that we put always 2 chairs in the back doors, one in each door, and a table into this door. And we have the table and the 2 chairs that they are always going to be. They are not going to move, and they are not going to make noise. Okay. And here we have the garage of the 2 bikes.
Okay, very good.
Okay. Me parece asumible lo que está, me parece lógico y asumible lo que está.
Very original van. You've also got here the Fiat Ducatos, and we could just have a quick look at this one as well, which has got 800 amps of power inside. Here we have the owner, and it's also on a on a VW Crafter, and it's similar, but in some ways, but they've got electric bed at the back. But we can see that in a different video. And in this one here, what have we got?
So this has a similar distribution that the Crafter, but Fiat give us more space inside, okay? So here we have a 196 long bed with 135 width. we still having a 110 liters fridge, but we have a very big kitchen here with a lot of cabinets. We are closet. We can customize this a lot. I mean, this one has 5, but we can do with 3, with 6, or what the customer needs. And the bathroom system is always the same.
Yeah.
So but this one has a TV there.
Okay, right, great.
And we also put this curtain because if you need to use the bathroom during the night and there is somebody sleeping, we will have some more privacy, okay? We try to make our vans for any kind of customers. This is why we always put this window here, because for people who are tall, they will fit inside, okay? And as I told you, inside this door we put the table. Here is the space where we put the table. We always work with this kind of windows for 2 reasons. The principal is to keep the industrial appearance of the vehicle, because we don't want people knows that we are driving a camper van, so we will be able to park anywhere, okay? And the second reason is because the air conditioner works perfectly for pilot and co-pilot, but not so good here. So with this window, we can open it while we are driving, and these people here will be refreshing. If the window open in this way, you cannot open it.
Yes. Yeah.
That's all.
That's it. Okay, great.
The same one, but in 540.
Oh, 540 van.
Yes.
Wow, so that's really saving space.
Yes. Yes, but I need to open it. So
So
1 second.
we'll go and see it when it's open, right?
Okay.
So I'll just walk around the outside in the meantime. 541 centimeters. So we'll see that now. There you go. Furgok, dynamic space. In aktiven Innenraum sorgen wir für mehr Platz, Leben und Reisen. So here it's opened. So we'll go around now. This is from 57,000.
So, same concept, but in only 5 meters, 14
41.
centimeters, yes. So, this bed has 120 of width and 185. We can also make it with 196 long, but it's not this case. We can sleep in any position, okay? You can leave it in any position as you want, and it will work perfectly. And here we have the same system for the bathroom, so we can travel 4 people, sleep 4 people, and still having the bathroom, the fridge, the toilet, and the kitchen in a vehicle that we can park where we want, okay? Nobody's going to say anything if we park in the middle of a city or where we want. Yes.
And this seat here is more of a standard camper van seat, but makes sense just if you've got 2 people. You did say 4, but I mean if you've got 2 people in the van, it makes sense just to have one position here. And of course we have this chair for travel purposes. Yeah, very nice.
Thank you.
So, thank you. It's great. I mean, this one, in particular, 541 centimeters. It's got the footprint of a car,
For
effectively.
me,
Well,
it's the
big car.
smarter solution. Yes.
Yeah, no, that's great. So, excellent, and thank you for showing it. So it's
welcome.
really good.